From all of them, I like this one. So I don't know, you guys decide which one is the best, okay? I think this is the best one. Because we are from Viking, so he's the Viking. There we go, look at the view. Leave you with this beautiful view, and it's snowing a little bit right now. So hopefully we don't stop again and we'll be able to continue our trip, because we're stopping every single time. See you guys. Bye bye. Actually, can you please change the different ones? I don't have it on video. Yeah? Thank you. Here we go. We have the Make America Great Again cap. There we go. Let me know in the comments what you think of this one here. I think he looks cool. He looks very handsome as a cowboy. Looks good. One more time with our beautiful Belize. Yeah, I love this one. I love this one. Belize, Central America. See, you are here in my heart, and on the Snowman also. Inside my heart, that is. And with my cap, with my hat. It looks like me. Oh my god.
What's after Golden? I really don't remember. I just drive. There's just one road that way.
So cold here.
Thanks for watching.
Bye bye.